Hello to all friends. In this After Effects tutorial, we will see how to make a professional, beautiful but simple background. To create this attractive background, we use the Saber plugin. And by doing a few simple steps, we reach our desired output. I hope you watch this video till the end and like it. Your likes and comments will make this video and channel more visible. Thank you for liking and commenting. Now we see the question of this video. Which effect in After Effects does this for us? Let's see the question of this video again. With which effect can this be done? And the answer to the question of this video. As you can see in the picture, we use the zoom bubble effect to create this movement in our logo or image. You can get your desired output by activating this effect on the layer and adjusting its keyframe time. I hope this short tutorial is useful for you. Leave me a comment if you liked this tutorial. Thankful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.